Hello, welcome back to our show. We talk about things to help you learn and grow. Shout out to Miss Carr's class at Cedarwood Elementary in California. Thanks for watching. Your thought of the week is, true friends are like diamonds. School's almost done and vacation is near, but we want to keep learning when summer is here. So I have some skills to share with you that you can practice the whole summer through. The next thing to do when you meet someone new is ask about things that they like to do. And when they say something that you like to do too, ask them if they'd like to do that with you. Now listen closely. What do you like to do with your friends? Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all in this together and we're here to help you through. As long as you keep trying, there's nothing we can't do. Be safe and strong, young diamonds. Have a fantastic day.